Hello guys, welcome to our channel Ashley Chaya. So today we will study themes of research and application in psychology. So before starting with this topic, let's just understand what is research and application. So research is all about developing a particular theory, principles, and application is using those principle theories so that it can be applied in our everyday life. So there are certain themes in psychology which have been developed. The first theme talks about the that psychology, like other sciences, attempts to develop principles of behavior and mental processes. Okay? So in this, so here the work of research is mainly concerned with understanding and explanation behavior, mental processes, events, and now the psychologists who chose to engage in this research functions more like scientists. वो scientists की तरह थ्योरीज बनाएंगे, डेटा कलेक्ट करेंगे, उनको कंपेयर करेंगे, उसको टेस्ट करेंगे, conclusions ड्रॉ करेंगे. So here the purpose is to develop general principles about behavior and mental processes. So, and the conclusions developed on the basis of such studies apply to everybody and are therefore universal. जो भी conclusions आएंगे वो universally apply किए जाते हैं. ठीक है? Experimental, they have experimental, comparative, physiological, developmental, social, experiential, and environmental psychology are generally regarded as domains of representing basic psychology. ठीक है? The themes of research in these fields differs from each other. अब अगर एक्सपेरिमेंटल साइकोलॉजी रिसर्च करेगा तो वो करेगा फोकसेस ऑन दी प्रोसेसेस ऑफ परसेप्शन, लर्निंग, मेमोरी एक्सेट्रा यूजिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट as their method of inquiry, whereas physiologists, psychologists attempt to examine physiological basis of these behaviors. ठीक है? Developmental psychologists study quality and quantitative changes in behavior from the beginning of human life to its end, whereas social psychology focus on the study of experience and behavior of individuals as they take place in social context. So ये कहना चाहते हैं कि different psychologists work towards understanding mental processes and behavior in different ways. अगर experimental psychologist will try to understand mental processes, वो करेगा through experiments. Supposedly memory के experiment करेगा, they will tell the participants to learn a list of words and then recall them. So they will do like this. The second, if the physiologist will do it, so they will focus on the physiological basis कि ऐसे क्या physically चीज़ें हमारी body में हैं जो आपको help करती है for memorizing or for having a good memory. Then developmental will focus on our entire lifespan thing कि बचपन से लेके till now क्या हम आपको help रहता है recalling and in keeping a good memory. ठीक है? And social context, how social context of the cultures or society in which we live influence the our memory thing. ठीक है? The next theme emerged is the function or the human behavior is a function of the attributes of processes and of persons and environment. So it was again so this theme is talks about the human behavior. हाँ, so it talks about the that human behavior is a function of the attributes of person and environment. Sorry for the distraction, someone called me. So human behavior is a function of the attributes of person and environment. So Kurt Lewin developed this or first proposed the famous equation that behavior is a product of function of person and the environment in which he or she lives. ठीक है? So this behavior largely due to the fact that person differ with respect to their various attributes because of their genetic makeup or endorsements and diverse experience of that environments they are placed in. ठीक है? So it means कि अगर person जो पर्सन है और जिस इन्वायरमेंट वो भी है तो वो सब इंटरेक्ट करते हैं देन अ पर्टिकुलर बिहेवियर इज अकर उसके अंदर पर्सन जो जेनेटिक इंटरमेंट्स वो भी अपना रोल प्ले करता है जो उसके एक्सपीरियंस है वो भी प्ले करेंगे एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है? अब ये जो डिफरेंसेस है साइकोलॉजी कंसीडर दैट नो टू इंडिविजुअल्स आर सेम। अब हमें इसके दैट इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंस, अब इनको चेक करने के लिए साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने बहुत तरीके के इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बनाए टू मेजर सच differences on the basis of intelligence, personality, etc. So because of this, a discipline called differential psychology emerged. It focuses on the individual differences emerged and flourished in the 19th early 20th century. Then साइकोलॉजी के हिसाब से जो कोर साइकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस थे वो हमेशा यूनिवर्सल रहे हर इंडिविजुअल के, पर जिस तरीके से इंडिविजुअल डिस्पोजिशन हो वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट था, ठीक है। अब साइकोलॉजिस्ट हु बिलीव दैट दे आर वेरिएशन इन behavior which occur due to environmental factors. This is a view which psychology have taken from anthropologists, evolutionary psychologists, ठीक है। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू देम साइकोलॉजिकल जो कोर प्रोसेस है वो तो सेम है, बट जो उनका बिहेवियर में चेंज आ रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटरेक्शन दे आर हैविंग विद द एनवायरनमेंट। कोई किसी और एनवायरनमेंट में डेवलप कर रहा है, कोई किसी और, द एनवायरनमेंट, द एक्सपीरियंसेस, द कॉन्टेक्सेस आर वेरी डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल्स, ठीक है। द थर्ड थीम दैट इमर्ज इज ह्यूमन बिहेवियर इज कॉज। सो it is very it is very evident that जो बिहेवियर है वो कॉज एंड इफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप के बेसिस पे हम एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। जो कॉजेज होते हैं वो इंटरनल होते हैं, इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल, हैविंग लोकेशन इन द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, ठीक है। A causal explanation is central to all science because without understanding them, no prediction will. So, as I told you, psychology focuses on the prediction of behavior, not the explanation when the behavior occurs. So, यहाँ पर क्या होता है, causes को ढूंढते हैं और फिर उस behavior को predict करते हैं। और यहाँ पर क्या psychology also look for the causal explanation. They also have a simple linear explanation exists that x causing y do not hold true. हमेशा x y को cause नहीं करेगा, y could be caused by some other causes as well. There could be various causes for y, multiple causes होते हैं, क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा है कि एक बिहेवियर सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ से कॉज नहीं होता, उसके कई काफ़ी सारे रीजन हो सकते हैं। सिचुएशन हो गया, हमारे इंटरनल रीजंस हो गए, हमारा एक्सपीरियंस हो गया, एक्सेट्रा, ठीक है। Then comes the fourth theme, understanding of human behavior is culturally constructed. Again, जिस तरह से हम behaviors consider करते हैं या उनको देखते हैं, सामने वाले के behavior को सही गलत का label देते हैं, it entirely depends on the culture in which the particular person is living. That means their way of looking, their way of being is entirely culturally constructed. The context in which they are existing defines their behavior, defines their thinking, and because of which there are certain understanding of those behavior which is culturally constructed, ठीक है। Last theme come is the human behavior can be controlled and modified through the application of psychological principles. So again, since we got to know about various aspects of human behavior, so it can be controlled and modified through the application of various psychological principles, and so that often is quite difficult, but it is not कि वो हो नहीं सकता, ठीक है। then now it is very various. Now after reading this entire thing, we have come to know about the base. There are two things, basic psychology and applied psychology, but there is no difference between the two. There is no fundamental difference between research and application of psychology. It is both are interrelated and mutually reinforcing each other. For example, if a research work is to develop theories, study theories, उनको test करना, फिर conclusions draw करना, on the basis of those theories, principles which the research in psychology develop, application of psychology will work. उन theories और principles को use करेगा and then we can apply that thing in our everyday life, ठीक है। So this is how research in psychology and application of psychology works interdependently. They are interrelated, mutually reinforcing होता है, उनके बीच में mutual interactions होते हैं, they are pervasively influencing each other. So yeah, with this we end up this lecture, and I hope you understood each and everything, and if there's any issues or queries, please let me know in the comment section. Please like and share and comment to our channel Ashi Chaya. Thank you.